I'm Carolyn Sailors with Expert Village, and I'm here today to show you how to make sweet potato souffle. It's ready to go back into the oven. And let it cook 10 more minutes now with all this on there. We'll set our timer for 10 more minutes. Well, it's time now to get our sweet potato souffle out. Should be all done. Look at there. Looks very nice. There you go. So, this is their sweet potato souffle, all done and ready to serve when it gets a little cooler. And it's very delicious.